Hi, my name is Bob Brennan. I'm with International Office Technologies, and I'm here today to talk to you about different lines of copiers that are currently out there. And I'm going to start with the Canon line, which we can get a couple different models. And the reason you would choose these particular copiers over some of the others I'm talking about is they have 11 by 17, and then they have extensive finishing capabilities. So if your office needs things like three-hole punches and booklet making and then extensive amounts of paper supply, if you will, these are going to be some of the models you would consider. And this is the imageRunner Advanced line that came out in 2013. It starts with the 4200 series. The series we're going to talk about is the 4235, and that's again came out in 2013. One of its contemporaries is the imageRunner Advanced 4535, and that's the 35i. So it's 4535i. This came out in 2017. Its current contemporary is the 4535i2, and very similar machines. Really, the only difference is the back-end software that Canon has. One is works with it and one doesn't. So let's go through some of the specs here real quick, and hopefully this will help you out. The 4235 that came out in 2013 is 35 pages a minute. Print speed 51 pages per minute scan and 35 pages per minute copy. Its 2017 version is 35 per minute print, 70 pages per minute scanning, and then it's 35 pages per minute to copy. First page out is about the same, 3.8 seconds. Toner yield's a little different in that the 2013 gets a little over 30,000 pages, and the 2017 gets 42,000. The touchscreen on the 4235 is an 8-inch touchscreen, and it does have an optional keyboard that you can get, whereas the 2017 has a 10-inch touchscreen with the optional keyboard as well, and then again some of the same standard features as it relates to scanning to folder, scanning to cloud, and so forth. So these retail, the 4235 Advanced probably retails for around $2,500. The Advanced 4535 retails for probably $4,200 to $4,500, so just a little bit more, but mechanically they're identical. So if you need 11 by 17, if you need extensive finishing options like mailboxes and booklets and booklet making and three-hole punches, things of that sort, these are the machines I would consider for their price point. Now, let's jump to an HP version of this, which is going to be considerably less. And we'll start out with the 4555. And this is an interesting machine. I believe it came out around the same time as the 4200 series, and that you can see standard. It comes with some small mailbox capabilities, smaller touchscreen capability, some variances on the paper trays. You'll just get this upper half for the price points we're talking about. We can get these trays as an option, but you just get that upper half, so it would just sit on a desktop or a central table. So what's nice about the HPs is there's a lot of people that service them. We service both the Canon and the HP here in the Twin Cities. When you get into proprietary copiers, sometimes that can be not good in that you're kind of stuck with the service organization for various reasons. So let's break down the main specs on this machine and see how it nets out. So its print speed is a little bit faster. It's 55 pages a minute. Its copies at 55. It scans at 57 black and white, 42 at color. Its first page out is 8.5 seconds, which is a little slower than the Canon's. It's got a lot of the same resolution. Excuse me. What it won't have is some of the software that Canon has, but instead it has its HP version of it. Great machine. and you can get this from us used when you buy 8 cartridges, so it nets out to about $2,300. And as long as you use those cartridges over the course of, let's say, 2 years, you're completely covered for everything, all service calls, all maintenance, and so forth. And that's our peak toner program. And so this might be a great option for you. A little bit cheaper than the Canons, but cost per page, I think, to operate totally is pretty reasonable. Canons are probably around the 1.5 to 1.8 cent per page with around a 3 to 4,000 page per month usage, if you will. And then one other alternative, and this is a lot less expensive, but it has some pretty respectable specs, if you will, is the HP M500 series. So in this case, it's the M525. It's got a nice big screen interface, probably around that 8-inch area there. And the specs kind of break down at this level as it relates to output. So black and white, it does 42 pages a minute. First page out is as fast as 8.5 seconds. The scan speed, copy speed, I should say copy speed is 42 pages per minute. Scan is going to be the same in that 42 range for black and white. Basically 44 for black and white, and then color is around 32. So this is a great machine you can pick up from us for $1,050. And again, this is a situation, I think, where you have to buy 4 cartridges from us, and we take care of the machine as long as you use our cartridges. You get the machine for free. Total comes out to $1,050. Great little machine. We have a lot of these in stock, and we move a lot of them. So if you have any questions, feel free to call Courtney or Sarah at area code 651-452-5630. They'll be more than happy to help you out, get you information, and right size you or find out what the right device is for your office. And again, you can reach them here in the Twin Cities, 651-452-5630.